Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the Badiano cooking spoon and rice scooper set. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get this opened up and I'll show you what it looks like. These cooking utensils are made of silicone that is able to withstand high temperatures of up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it the perfect option for all kinds of different cooking needs like stirring, scooping, or even serving. On the other side, it also has a comfortable grip that is made of wood, giving us comfort and functionality even when we are using it for extended periods of time. It is also made of food-safe material, giving us peace of mind when we are using it to prepare a meal. I also love the smooth edges, which helps protect my pans and pots as well to prevent any scratching or damaging that might happen. Plus, it is very easy to clean, so I don't have to spend too much time trying to get things all cleaned up when I'm done cooking. If you are in the market for high quality kitchen utensils, this is definitely worth looking into.